Hi, Dick Rochfort here. We've been asked to reach 10 miles east of Smyrna, Echo November Oscar, at 8,000 feet. We've set the 8,000 in the altitude select, and then we set that up with a VNAV ATK offset, a long track offset.
Washington Center, good morning, Piedmont
and then we let the system develop for us.
Piedmont 4778, Washington Center, good morning.
The number of miles, or we put in the number of miles
2957,
and the spot, the altitude rather, and the system develops a rate required. And then if you activate VNAV direct rather, it will take you there. We know we're going to get there because the blue banana, which is the bottom of the descent, is right over the icon, the bottom of the descent waypoint, which we developed with the VNAV. That's the auto way to do it. Of course, if you know it's going to be a big number, and if you're in a standard meridian, you wouldn't be able to do it without pulling power back. Because your VMO is only 188 on the meridian. This is an M600. You would want to get the descent going more quickly. And to that end, I recommend that you have VSR located somewhere in the marquee here so you know what you need. So as soon as the controller asks you to be 10 west of Smyrna at some altitude, you can hit VS and get going down while you then compute that waypoint and then fine-tune the rate. If you're in rough air, you wouldn't want to be going this fast, so but it's a nice smooth day today. So that's a quick tutorial on VNAV and VNAV direct in the M600. It's a nice feature. This is, of course, a G3000, so it works the same in all G3000 installations. This is Dick Rochfort. Fly safely. Train off it. 200 to go.